Hey, this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. We are at Knotty Pine. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. We're upstairs in bedroom, what they're calling number 2, and this is the Dish Network remote for it. This is the Dynex remote for the television, so this will turn your power on and off. Also, if you need to turn it on and off, on this side right here is also a control panel. Very bottom is the power. And so we have power on the dish box. Fairly simple, straightforward controls. You have the guide button right here, which will allow you to access all the different viewing options. And you can scroll through using the up and down arrow keys. Texas flipping more. Now, what we're going to also take a quick look at is that there is a menu button right here, and that'll allow you to go through a couple of different options. You're actually then able to log into Netflix if you want to log into Netflix, and that will go through that process. It takes a few minutes to kind of load in the app. So if you have a Netflix account, you can certainly log into it. And then the other option is going to be a DVR function in mode, which will allow you to actually access the DVR features. Now, it obviously takes time for this to kind of cycle through its ability to go through and load in that feature. And it takes a bit of time sometimes to actually do so. And it's still cycling through the Netflix option. So if you have any questions regarding the operation and use of the television in this upstairs bedroom, this is the one that has the queen and then bunk bed with 2 twins in it. You can reach out to us. The number in the office, the landline phone number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.